Hello everyone, greetings of the day from Almighty CS. Welcome to the ACS Invoice Summary module, a simple yet powerful tool to view all invoice and payment details for any customer in one place. Often, customers ask for a clear summary for all their bills. Imagine if a customer asks for all his invoices for the last 3 months along with the summary report. Or if you run a hospital and a patient who are hospitalized for last 2 months is asking for invoice summary. In such situations, going through each invoice one by one can be time consuming and confusing. This module solves that problem with just few clicks. You just need to have this module installed and no other configuration required. Just navigate to the invoicing, click on customers and invoice summary. Click on new to create a new record. Suppose I have a patient named Neeta K. Shah for whom I want the invoice summary from April to current month. Now I will click on get data. In seconds, you will see a list of all invoices either issued, paid or unpaid, and payment details organized neatly. If you click on this view line option, you can see a detailed view of all the products used. Invoices tab shows totals for each invoice, payment made, outstanding amounts, and dates. You can drill down into each invoice for full detail. One of the best features of this module is the ability to print summary as a clean, well-formatted PDF. If you select this print date range option, it means that when you print the summary PDF, the selected date range will be shown clearly at the top of the report. The print line option here means the system will include detailed invoice line in report which gives a complete view of not just invoice totals but also what was billed. Now to print the summary, just click on this here button, then invoice, and the PDF will get downloaded. You can now print the summary and send both the overview and invoice copies to your customers. It saves times, avoids errors, and keeps the customer happy. That's all in this video. Hope it was helpful to you. Thank you.